Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This gets you to the controls fast. In the Settings search box, type PDF so you land on relevant options quickly, and make sure you have admin privileges if the device is managed. Once done, click Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. This route leads to Content Handlers. You're preparing the browser to change PDF handling rather than downloading habits. This setup step avoids backtracking during the next actions. Now navigate into Site Settings and open Additional Content Settings so you can access PDF behavior directly. Select the PDF documents entry. This shows the option that controls whether Chrome uses its built-in viewer or forces downloads. Toggle the setting labeled Download PDFs or turn off the built-in viewer depending on the wording. This makes Chrome send PDF files to your default system handler instead of rendering them. Once changed, close Settings and test by opening any PDF link to confirm the new behavior. To finish, open a PDF link and confirm it now downloads or opens in your external app. That verifies success. If you don't see the change, restart Chrome and try again because some settings require a relaunch. If the option is grayed out, check Extensions and Enterprise Policies. Extensions may override behavior and managed devices can block changes. If necessary, disable interfering extensions or speak to your administrator. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most blocked setting cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.